Good day, everyone. Welcome to my workbench. We have some kind of job from another computer repair shop. We have this is an M.2 NVME SSD drive that came in for repair and data recovery. So we have to fix this. We have to fix this. We have to fix this. If we can. The SSD looks like this. It's a very small thing. So how we can test this? Because in order to fix, we have to know if this thing has got a problem. How we can fix this small thing? Look how small is the item. Okay. What I want to do, I want to go. Let's go on a microscope. Okay. Okay. So that's the drive. It's an SSD drive. Let's see. It's an SSD 256 gigabytes. NVME M.2 SSD solid drive. This is it's nani vote now Memory Express, if I do remember. Let me check. Yeah, it's non-volatile Memory Express solid state drive. It's 256. So what we can check on this thing? We have some capacitors here, and we have this shield. Okay, what is this? We have some few components here. I don't think we can check many things here. If this thing is fault, I don't think we can check many things. But before I plug it to the external, I just want to check. This is a capacitor. It's reading a short. All these capacitors around this place, they are reading a short. But what I'm not happy about this. What is this? This look like there was a capacitor there. Or it's not a capacitor. But this component, whatever component which was here, I think is my suspect. So what I want to do, I want to take that component out and check if if this is still responding the same. And it's out. Let's check again. And the short is gone. You can see this is beeping to ground. This is not beeping to ground. So if I'm to check on that capacitor, maybe it's a capacitor. I can't see the item. So I think that was the problem. Huh? The value of the capacitor, no one knows. No one knows the value. So I'll take another ceramic capacitor, which I believe has got a better value to support a 5 volts power line. Okay. The capacitor is now in place. Now what is left is to test this thing. Let me cool it down. Let's wait for this SSD to cool down and then we can test. So let's see now. We have our SSD drive here. We have the SSD enclosure. Which has this cable. Here we have the USB-C and the USB-A connector on the other side. So this tool is very beautiful. We insert the SSD. It's very simple. Just like this. This must be the thermal pad, which has to be here. We close up here. We close up and we test. Let's see now. Plugged in here. Desktop. Okay. Okay. Plugged in. And we have light. We have the green light. Okay, disk management. And it's working. You see this one, 238 online. This one, disk one. If I unplug, it's disappeared. I plug it back, it's appeared. You see this one. I believe this is on GBT partition style. Okay. So how am I going to? Yes, I just changed the drive later. And now if I go here, it's this one. You see, it's got Windows inside. So if I unplug here, it disappeared. I plug it. It's a 237. It's displaying 237, but the actual size of the SSD is 256. So the job is done. The job is done. The job is done. So yeah, that was the repair. You know, this is a very important tool. If we are in laptop repairs, you have to buy it. You have to buy this and make use of it as a tool to recover, especially on SSD, because on the old casing of HDD, you can't really use this one. You can't really use this one to recover data from an SSD drive. And this is 3.1. It's very fast. The speed copying files from the computer to the SSD is very fast compared to the old one. So yeah, that was the repair. So I think we can stop now. So yeah, these are important tools to have. If you are in repairs of laptops, you must have an enclosure for SSD drive and for the normal HDD drive. So what we can say, like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to your beloved friends and relatives. What can we say? See you on the next repair. Bye.